To help us pause, reset, and re energize, we will now move to a quick yoga energizer session. May I invite Dr. Beulah Sebastian, Head of Sports at the Department of Sports, Recreation, and Wellness at Symbiosis International University on stage, please. Dr. Sebastian brings over 18 years of experience in teacher education and sports administration with a strong foundation in sports psychology. Her work, may I please request everyone to stay in their seats? May I please request everyone to remain seated? Dr. Sebastian brings over 18 years of experience in teacher education and sports administration with a strong foundation in sports psychology. Her work integrates movement and music with outdoor-based training to foster holistic learning. She specializes in leadership development through life skills using sport as a powerful medium for personal and collective growth. Dr. Beulah, the stage is all yours.
Thank you. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have a good morning from you all? Right. We've been, really having very powerful ideas, livening our minds. But I think it's time now to awaken the body. Yeah, do you agree with me? Sharpen our reflexes a little bit. And of course, in the process, have some fun. So I request all of y'all to kindly stand up for some time. I know you've been sitting. Just keep your hands free. Symbiosis, as you know, is a health-promoting university, and we believe in promoting wellness, movement, and joy, and it is a part of our culture. So we will have some fun now, right? The first thing is, I want you to look to your right and left to the brilliant academician here besides you. Yes, fantastic. Somebody you've been, not looking at for a long time since morning. And what I want you to do is, I want you to greet them, but I don't want you to greet them with a normal hello or good afternoon or good morning. I want you to greet them in a different style. It could be maybe, a bump of the elbow, maybe a very sporty hi-fi, or perhaps, a vibrant namaste, or you can invent your own, okay? And your time starts now. Oh, some of you all can't stop greeting. Okay. That's good, that's good. And I think I just watched some of the moves, I could really patent them. Yeah, fantastic. Okay. For the next one, what I need you to do is, I need you to, come together. I want you in a line, the whole row, you should be next to somebody. Okay, if you're very far away, come closer a few steps. There's no harm, they're not very dangerous. Come closer. Yes. And don't be far, don't be a loner. Okay, so you can join there. Yes, for some time. See that you have somebody next to you. I'm going to check your reflexes. Okay, so I know your minds are very sharp, but let me check how, sharp your reflexes are. Yeah, this is the next Olympic event. Yeah, so what I want you to do is open up your palm, the left palm. Okay, the left palm, and your right finger pointed downwards. Okay, now those who are right at the corner, I'm sorry, if you can connect to somebody on top, that will be good. But then, yes. So everybody, now again I'm telling you, everybody will open up your left palm. Let me show this. Okay, left palm, sir. Yes. Yeah, and your right finger will be in somebody's palm, just pointing somebody's palm. Okay? Yeah. And those who don't have a palm, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Now, on my count of 3, what I need you to do is catch and escape. Okay? So, the finger in your palm, you will try to catch, okay? And you will try to escape, okay? Yes, that's what you're going to do. Let's do a trial, okay? Okay? On my count, we'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine, fine. This was just a trial. This was just a trial. I am going to give you 2 more chances. You can get at your neighbor. Okay, 2 more chances here. So, right, again, let's do it. Everybody, your palm open. Okay, ready? On my count, huh? 3, 1. Arey, 1 ही बोला मैं. I just said 1 and you're like grabbing. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 2.5. I just said 2.5. And 3. So that's the second round, you know. Everywhere there has to be a decision. No, it's not over. How do we decide? How do we decide who the winner? It has to be best of 3. In sport, we say, you know, we decide a winner best of 3. Let's see who grabs more, who escapes, okay, and grabs. Okay, ready? Again, okay? Last time, yeah? Be very alert. So here you go. Yeah, focus, okay? You need focus for this. 1, 2, 2 3/4. Arey. 3. Fantastic. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Good. Reflexes. Like I said, y'all can compete in the next Olympics. Yeah. So now let's try something fun. Okay. Fun. So you watch my palm. Okay. Every time my palm crosses, you will clap. Okay. Is that clear? Very simple activity. Yeah. So let's try this. Every time my palm crosses, you clap. Yeah? Okay. Now, every time my palm goes in a different direction, you clap in that direction. Okay? It's this side, okay, to your right. Okay? Fantastic. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, very good, nice. So let's, you know, speed up a little, be alert, okay? Let's check your reflexes. Okay, fantastic. Are you ready? Oh, nice. Okay, here you go. So every time my palm crosses, be alert, okay? Speed. That's 2 claps. Okay, thank you so much. I'm sure you have, you know, very good reflexes. All the best and have fun the rest of the conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Beulah. I trust that this has anchored us firmly in our bodies even as we dabble in the realm of ideas.